What if India finally had an AI that truly understands India? Not just English, not just textbook Hindi, but real Indian voices, real dialects, real handwritten documents. Hello everyone, this is Sri from Techie Talks AI. Today I am demonstrating Sarvam AI, India's sovereign AI platform, and more importantly, I will show you how developers can actually use the API in real world applications. This is not just another LLM. This is AI built for India, trained on Indian languages, designed for Indian use cases. Let's dive in. What is Sarvam AI? Sarvam AI is India's sovereign AI initiative, meaning built in India, trained on Indian language data, designed for Indian enterprises and government use. If you look at their platform, you will see conversational agents, speech to text, text to speech, vision, that is OCR plus document digitization, translation, video dubbing. What more do you want? And of course, API access for integration. Now let's test the real power. So here, these are the sections: chat completion, translate text, speech to text with translation, text to speech, transliterate, language identification. Okay, so you need to sign up to get their API key. I have already got the API key. It is free. You get free credits. You can immediately begin using it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just demonstrate one item here using Python. And here they have this curl command based demo, and you can click on try it and enter the API key here. Let me enter the API key here. And then we can click close. Now this curl command will work. Okay, input string. Here we can type, good morning, how are you today? And I will select my language, that is Malayalam India. Okay, ML-IN. Okay, and there are options which we will leave it for now. And the source language detection is set to auto. Let's send the request. See here, see the speed, 474 milliseconds. Suprabhadam, inneങ്ങനെയുണ്ട്. Incredible. Okay, so now we will see how we can do this in Python. So there is a Python option here that uses the request module of Python. Instead, what we will do is we will use Sarvam library, Python library. So here is the terminal. Okay, so here is my demo script adapted with Python. So here from Sarvam AI, import Sarvam AI. See this? So that is the class that we are going to use. So here we initialize, and this API key I have loaded in the .env file, and this load underscore .env will load it into the environment, and then we can get it here and pass it as API underscore subscription key. That is it. Then here input text and target language ML-IN for India, that is Malayalam India, and the source language detection is auto. Here I'm just printing the output response, and then a response dot translated underscore text. So I will run it using my Python environment, which will load the libraries, etc. See here, translation response, pretty printed. The translated text is here. Suprapadam inna engane irikkunnu. that is in Malayalam. Okay, so you can just use this example to create your Python application. So we will now build more and more applications around this in coming videos. Okay, so that is translation. Currently, it has got these many languages handled. There is Bengali, English, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Malayalam, Marathi, Odia, Punjabi, Tamil, and Telugu. Then it has got more languages added. So total 23 languages it can handle. So there is a link here, Translate API tutorial, that will open the Sarvam AI cookbook. This cookbook examples we will go through in coming days. Okay. So we'll understand this, getting to experience these cookbook examples will really demonstrate the capabilities of Sarvam AI. Plenty of examples. I will make video demonstrating each of these examples. Another powerful feature is Vision, that is OCR for handwritten Indian documents. Now, this is where things get serious. Government offices in India still use handwritten records. Imagine digitizing them instantly, upload a handwritten document, click analyze, and within seconds, Sarvam extracts text accurately. Even messy handwriting. I saw the demonstration during the Impact AI Summit, and it gives raw output, formatted output, structured data, that is JSON, Markdown, HTML. This is huge for land records, legal archives, medical prescriptions, historical document digitization. And because it understands Indian names and formats, it reduces hallucinations significantly. This is where sovereign AI really matters. Why Servam AI matters? Let me say something important. Servam AI is not trying to compete with GPT or Gemini globally. It is filling a gap. Most major AI models were built primarily in English, but India is multilingual at its core. If a farmer speaks Punjabi, a doctor dictates in Tamil, a shopkeeper sends Marathi voice notes. AI must understand them properly. Server was built to fix exactly that. This is India's sovereign AI layer. And for developers, this is an opportunity. So if you are building AI SaaS, government tech, multilingual apps, voice bots, OCR digitization systems, you should explore Sarvam APIs today. India's AI story is just beginning. This is Sri. Let me know in the comments how would you use Sarvam AI in your application. I will see you in the next demo. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. See you tomorrow again. Stuck with tech? Overwhelmed by AI, cloud, or coding? Mentor Expert gives you personalized one-on-one help, step-by-step guidance, and instant clarity. Your solution starts here.